Hey, good day guys, this is Chibuzo Agowa. You're welcome to Login for Tech channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you, showing you how to change the PHP version of your web hosting on InterServer. And we shall be doing this from a cPanel as usual. There are basically many reasons why you should change or update the PHP version of your web hosting, be it on any hosting site that you're using, and I'll be telling you that in the video because, for example, I tried to upload new theme I bought on one of my WordPress sites that I hosted on InterServer, and I bumped up or I stumbled up on so many reasons or that contradicts or inhibits the upload, and it actually brought up a failure in the upload. And that's the more reason why I'm doing this video, because many of you might be passing through such situation and you may not know the reason why. You might be finding it difficult to change or upgrade or update the PHP version on your web hosting if you are using InterServer. I remember I did a video earlier on talking about Namecheap, but this one is dedicated to InterServer and InterServer alone. And if you are using InterServer and you want to know how to change your PHP version, then this video is just for you. I will indulge you to watch this video from the beginning to the end to get every information that I'll be trying to tell you. So if you're ready, let's get started.
You are welcome to Blog Infotech YouTube channel.
So welcome back from the short break. So in this video, we shall be tracing through two subheadings so that will be fast enough, and I want it to be short and simple as enough. So the first thing, I will be telling you why you should update or upgrade this PHP version of your web hosting if you are using any host. And that's what I'll tell you in this video. And also the second subheading or the second point is just how to change the PHP version from the cPanel in just using few clicks. It will just less than a minute, then you are done. So before we proceed, like I said from the beginning, Chibuzo is my name, I'm Blogging for Tech is the name of this channel. So if you are already part of this channel, you know what to do here. But if you're a visitor or visiting for the first time, let me give you a brief introduction. So Blogging for Tech, like the name goes, is a technology related channel, and we do dish out tutorials periodically. Like if you should go to our video playlist or the front page of our YouTube channel, you see various videos that we've uploaded, and they are all useful, and they are tutorials that covers everything technology, ranging from affiliate marketing, how to make money, mobile phones, mobile apps, computers, PCs, and everything you're talking about that are related to technology. They are basically tutorials and reviews. So if you want to be part of this channel, I will simply indulge you to hit the subscribe button, and also you can turn on the bell notifications so that I get notified whenever I release another important videos just like this. So if you've done that, let's go to the first step. So the first thing we should be looking at, or the first point, is why you should update your PHP version if you are in any host, even despite you're using InterServer or not. So like I said from the start, I actually bought two themes and I wanted to upload it, but I noticed that the theme failed to either install properly. And what's the reason why? Then I scrolled down to if you notice the theme section of your WordPress site, if you're familiar to WordPress, once you go to appearance and add themes, you discover that you find something like this. Then I have to scroll down and I see some notes in most themes, just like this, and this. What does it say? It says that the theme does not work with your version of PHP, which simply means that it will be difficult, or it won't be possible for me to actually upload this very theme on my WordPress site. Why? Because I'm using an outdated PHP version in my webhost. The same thing goes for this, and the same thing goes for this, and it also goes to the two new themes that I actually bought and I'm trying to upload. And that is just that. As you already know, an update normally brings in new and enhanced performance from the late or from the old version. So that's the more reason why you should try to update your PHP version. And also, the latest PHP version, the current PHP version, actually make it possible for your site, your WordPress site, to load in a fast pace and enhance anything related to it, because it comes with an updated script as a whole. So that is the more reason why you should update or upgrade your PHP version today. So you've seen the reason why, and there's so many benefits attached to it. So these are the few things or the few benefits I'm revealing to you, but there are so many that are attached to it. So you should go ahead and try to upgrade or update your PHP version, and that's what we should be looking at in the main step. Now let us go to the main business of the day proper, which is actually how to update or change your PHP version of your InterServer web hosting using the cPanel. So without wasting much of your time, for example, if you log into InterServer, let me move to your home page. Once you log into your InterServer um, um, accounts, you actually come or bump or stumble upon this homepage. So the next thing you do, you have to see, you scroll to your web hosting segment. Maybe I have to click on it, and a new page will definitely open, which is this. And from here, you can easily locate your cPanel. If you scroll down a little bit, you see log into cPanel. Once you click this, a new window will appear, which is just this. And you might be familiar with the cPanel already because you are used to um, sites or something just like this. So the procedures or the steps are quite easy. It is not, you shouldn't, or you don't have to be tech savvy before you can perform this task. So let's go and see how we'll do that in just less than a minute. So once you're in your cPanel, the first thing you have to do is to scroll down a bit. You see various sections. You have the email section, you have the Jet's backup section. You scroll down, keep on scrolling till where you actually see the portion that says change PHP version. Scroll down. I'm still trying to, let's locate it a bit. Still scrolling down. I think I missed it. Okay, it is in the software. It is in the software segment of the software. So you see the change PHP version. My mouse cursor is hovering over it. So the next thing you do is to select the PHP version. You click on it. Once you click on it, a new window will open, which will reveal to you the current PHP version that you're running and the options that will lead you to either update or upgrade, or if you prefer downgrading, it's fine, it's just left for you. So as you can see, the window has opened, and I notice that my PHP version is quite outdated because it's running on the native 5.6 version, which is the current version. So all I have to do is to click on that down arrow, key your button, and scroll down to the latest version, which is 8.1. As you can see, I'll have to click on 8.1 and I've selected it. So the next thing you do, the next step is to set it as current, as I've clicked on it, and it's automatically carrying out the function. So my PHP version has been updated to the 8.1, which is the current or the latest version you find out there. So now let's see. Let me try to go back to the home, and I will come back to the page of appearance and theme and see if those themes this time around are now compatible with my WordPress site, since I've updated the version of my PHP. So let me go to add themes for each and every one of them to display. So as you can see, those limitations are gone. Those notes or indication that indicates that I can't use the theme, see, they are all gone. So like I said, this is one of the benefits you find for updating your PHP version to the current one, and you can also benefit other things such as increase in site speed, loading time, and the like. So if, like you already know, info, in case you yet to know, InterServer is one of the web hosting you find out there. So if you want to purchase InterServer web hosting on a discount, you can go to the description of this video. I'll be placing a link that will enable you to purchase in this very hosting at a cheap rate, and you will be renewing at that same rate on a yearly basis. So with that, we've come to the end of this video. If you find this video informative and helpful, you can kindly give it a thumbs up, so it will enable the YouTube algorithm to push this video for people like you who needed the steps or want to learn the steps of changing their PHP version. They will see it, they will like it, and they will learn from it. So in case you're still yet to hit the subscribe button, you can kindly hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification, because the next video I'm releasing will be quite informative and educative as well. So with that, we've come to the end of this video. And yes, if you're still trying to purchase the InterServer web hosting at a cheaper rate, you can go to the description of this video and use the link I'll be placing, and yes, you actually purchase it. It's an affiliate link. Yes, I'll receive a particular commission from you from your purchase, and you will purchase it at a cheaper rate. So having done that, we'll see in my next video. Hit the thumbs up before you leave, and bye bye for now.